Hi, welcome back to Chasing Profits YouTube video channel. We're very new, and actually we've got some scattered videos out there. There's one over at AGL Profits, and we actually have 2 subscribers. We want to say thank you. We may wind up, that might be our home channel, but we're trying to switch everything over to, again, Chasing Profits. That's Chase in Profits. Okay? Alright. I'm going to keep this real short, sweet, and brief and to the point. This channel is for newbies and people coming into the e-commerce world of eBay, mainly eBay. I don't sell on Amazon. I do have an Amazon account. However, I've not used it for anything yet. Notice I said yet. I do have a Etsy account, Bonanza, a Poshmark, and I've not used those either yet. I am in the process of hiring my first VA, and that is really hopefully going to help move us along and get us going a lot faster, because there's only 24 hours in a day and you can only get so much done. I watched video after video after video of how these people, list 10 and 20 and 30 items in a day, and I'm like, what are you? Magic? I don't know how they're doing it. I mean, I do know some of it's templates, and I have experimented some with that. I have tried. Now, this is something I do want to talk about, okay? I personally have tried various suggested apps or sites, such as Octava, Seller Sourcebook, it's another one, InkFrog, Crazy Lister. Yeah, okay. Here's the problem. I'm not finding them to be mobile friendly without going in and doing a whole lot of changing in the coding yourself. And if you don't know HTML or any of that, it's a loss, because today the bottom line is 40%, no, not 40%, it's way over that. It's more like 70% and above of today's people are accessing eBay, Poshmark, Amazon, even Walmart, Target online sites. They're doing it via mobile devices such as cell phones, smartphones, iPads, tablets, etc. Now, I've been doing some experimenting. I have found that using Word and Google Docs, and amazingly, it is 100% mobile responsive. And I went and checked everything that I had put up using the templates that I had made with Word or Google Docs. I've made I would say a better one with Google Docs. Word has the potential to create some really nice ones, but I took Word back in 2004 and it's changed a lot. So I'll probably grab a book, watch a few videos, bring it up to date, and see what I can do with that. At some point, what I would like to do is do a how-to tutorial using like a screencast device. I personally use Screencast-O-Matic. I've been using it, God, for years now. It's only gone up a couple bucks in price over the years. Used to it was $14.95 for an entire year. I think it's maybe $18 a year now. So it's really not jumped up too bad. So it's a good deal. I wished I could say there was some affiliate links or something like that, but I don't think they offer that. If they have, I've written to them and they have not gotten back to me on that yet, because I would put them down below. But I will tell you, it is screencast-o-matic.com. They also have an editor now that you can add to that for extra money. I don't know if you really need that yet or not, but I'm going to let you be the judge of that, because you know your videos better than I know your videos. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and build a template using either Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and do a step-by-step how-to on how to create your own. And then, you know, for me, it's like getting, I don't know, 3 or 4 together, you know. One for, say, these guys right here, which are, by the way, currently for sale. This is a cell phone. Have another one here. And this is another cell phone that we currently, check that out, wow, that we have for sale. So we have 2 cell phones at the moment. This one here is on the site. This one will be on the site tomorrow, okay? They're both in excellent condition. This was my personal phone, so I can back this one up myself as to what it can and cannot do. It does have a few scratches on the back from where I had a phone ring or phone stand. When I removed it, I did put a few scratches there. But as far as the overall front part of it, it's immaculate, not a scratch on the screen, nowhere. And it works great. I did great maintenance. I used it for photographing for a long time, and it's a really good phone. The other one I picked up from a guy who came and did some work on a TV for a friend of mine, and he had got it stuck on the talkback feature and he couldn't fix it, so he let me have it at a nominal price, and we'll just leave it at that. Also, another thing that's going to be coming up on the site is these are General Electric Pro Surge Protectors, and there's 8 of them, but see, they're not your average protector. As you can see, there's some little doodads down here, right there we go, and on the back of it, it gives you a list of all the things that it covers and that has the ability to do. You can also turn these off so that children can't stick things in them. I think it's one of the neatest little devices I've seen in quite some time. These will also be going up on the site. I have 2 right now, and they will be going up on the site this week also. Price unknown yet, but it will be reasonable, and I promise, and if you buy both, you'll get a significant savings on the second one. Okay, and for right now, that's really about it. I just wanted to, 1, check out this Pro Logitech Cam, because the first few videos I did using my new cell phone, and this is the first one that I have done using the webcam, which is a Logitech Pro webcam. I'm pretty happy with it. From what I can see on the screen here, it's, you know, it says 1080p. Yeah, I would agree with that, definitely and totally. This, however, where we're sitting is my bedroom / office, and you know what? It's going to stay that for quite some time, and let me tell you why. Savings, and savings. You know, cutting corners everywhere we can. We recycle, okay? Good customer service, always you put that first, but you have to make sacrifices elsewhere. Like, I have a large walk-in closet that right now is my storage room. It's small enough for a small bedroom. So yeah, it's right now storage room for me. And when I outgrow that, I'll, jump that bridge when I get there. But when I do get there, I'll be sure and share it with you. I will also be taking my cell phone out, doing what everybody else does, taking you on some trips to some stores. They've got some really neat new features and stuff that I have found, and I just want to check them out. So what we'll do is we'll check them out together and see how that goes. And I don't know, I've noticed lately on a lot of videos that you can't leave comments. So, but if below you can, please subscribe, like, thumbs up, always, okay? And any questions that you have, I will be back and I will answer them for you. Or you can contact us through eBay, Lab Media 19, Alexis Fine Collectibles, and I will do my very best to answer and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.